Are you struggling with your child's school dictation tests and spelling tests? Then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Kirti. I'm on a mission to help 1 million kids to read and spell with confidence. So if your child is struggling to write 3-letter or 4-letter or 5-letter word spellings, for example like mat, glass, try to teach him segmentation. Okay? So in the segmentation, you start with segmentation. So in the segmentation, you will tell a word and your child will separate the word into different letters and he'll tell those letters. Once he is familiar with oral segmentation and has good practice, then he can write 3-letter, 4-letter and 5-letter words which have no spelling rules. And second category is the words which have spelling rules, which have certain spelling rules like black. If we tell a word black, they'll get confused what to write. They have to write K or C or CK. There is a certain rule for that. So then if your child is confused writing spellings for such kind of words like black, cell, the spelling rules. When your child is stuck between the words with alternative sounds. For example, in the tree, E makes E sound and in the meat, EA also makes E sound. So here child is getting confused. What he has to write, EE or EA. So for this category of words, you need to start giving them word banks with the two sounds and ask them to sort the words into the different categories. You give set of words and ask them to sort into 2 different categories where all EE words will come into one category and EA words will come into one category. Okay, so this is how we teach alternative sound spellings. And the fourth category is if they are stuck in writing bigger words, you teach them syllabification. You teach them how to break the bigger word into smaller parts and then ask them to learn the spelling. So in the syllabification, for every vowel, in every syllable there will be one vowel sound. Okay. So for example, you take a word like September. Okay. So you have to break the word September. September. Okay. So if you teach this kind of syllabification to your kids, it is much easier for them. And if you come across the tricky words are another category and beautiful is a tricky word. Okay. So when your child come across tricky words and they have to learn that spelling, you do simple technique. Like for example, take this word beautiful. Beautiful is the spelling of beautiful is this. So here the sounds are tricking you. They are not telling the correct sounds. That is why they are called tricky words. Okay. So BEAUTIFUL. If you observe, B is making the same sound. EAU is different. TI is making same. FUL is making same. Okay. So in EAU part, you put a heart symbol and tell them this is a tricky part in this word. So you try to remember this part itself. Enough. Then they'll try to understand what is the tricky part and they'll write the remaining spelling with the help of sounds. And to learn the tricky word spellings with much ease, provide lot of books to read. Because with the help of visual memory, if they look at the same word for 14 times, it will get registered into their brain. So if you can increase the visual memory of your kids by giving them lot of books to read, then spelling would be much easier for them. Because if they write a wrong spelling, it looks weird for them. They'll identify that they wrote a wrong spelling. If they write the spelling of tree as TREA, it doesn't look good. It looks weird or bizarre. Okay. So for your child to be a good speller, he should be a good reader and also he should understand the patterns and the rules also. So hope this video helps. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.